students, in today's class we'll see predictor and corrector methods. So what is this predictor and corrector methods and how many methods include in this predictor and corrector, we'll see today. In this method, the value of y at a desired value of x is estimated from a set of 4 values of y corresponding to 4 equally spaced value of x. So these 4 values may be readily available or be generated using the given initial condition by any numerical method, which one we have already discussed earlier. So either by Taylor series method, or we can take from the any other method, that is Picard's method also is available to collect the value up to 4 here. So these means we need to generate 3 more values of y given by any of the previous methods here. So here predictor and corrector methods are we are going to discuss in the form of 2 methods. One is Milne's method and Adam-Bashforth method. So these predictor and corrector method is already having what here 2 methods. Basically we'll see, that is first one is Milne's method, okay, and second one is Adams Bashforth method. Means in this predictor and corrector, so we'll study these 2 methods, that is Milne's method and Adam-Bashforth method. So here in today's class we'll see what is this Milne's method and Adam-Bashforth method. So here again the same initial condition and differential equation will use, and how these methods will work out we'll see one by one. So first we'll see here what is Milne's method and we'll see respective problems. So to find this Milne's method and Adam-Bashforth method, so again here we need to consider the differential equation, that is consider the differential equation, that is dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with what here with 4 predetermined values of y, that is y of x naught is equal to y naught, then y of x1 is equal to y1, then y of x2 is equal to y2, and y of x3 is equal to what here y3. So these values you can get it from the question itself. Then from with the help of this we need to find what here y of x4 is equal to y4 we need to find. So y of x naught is equal to y naught, y of x1 is equal to y1, y of x2 is equal to y2, and y of x3 is equal to y3. With this is already 3 values already we'll get from the question, or it is already generated. So with the help of this we are going to generate y of x4 is equal to y4, and this y of x4 is equal to y4 will get from either from the Milne's method or Adam-Bashforth. So one by one we'll see these methods using this. So here I can say that this x naught is nothing but x naught x1 is nothing but x naught plus h, this x2 is nothing but x1 plus h, and this x3 value is nothing but x2 plus h. So like that it is generated, and here h is nothing but step size. So in this way we need to remember this. So how this Milne's method and Adam-Bashforth method is going to be determined using this differential equation with the conditions of y of x naught is equal to y naught, y of x1 is equal to y1, and y of x2 is equal to y2, and y of x3 is equal to y3. We'll see now. So now we'll see first one, Milne's method. So here we have 2 formulas. In Milne's method, the formula for Milne's method is y4 of p. So this p stand for y4, p stand for predictor. So y4 of p is equal to y0 plus 4h upon 3 bracket 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. So this is the formula for y4 of p, which is nothing but predictor formula. I will write it here. It is nothing but what here? Predictor formula. It is predictor formula. Next, this is means from this formula we need to predict the value, and with the help of predictor we need to correct this predicted value, that is p, correct it, p of c, that sorry y4 of c. Y4 of c is nothing but c stand for corrector. So y4 of c, the formula is given by y2 plus h upon 3 bracket y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this is a corrector formula, but this formula we need to use up to what here, means up to accuracy level, means twice thrice we need to repeat this corrector, because this is predictor, means we'll get one predicted value from this predictor formula, and by using the corrector formula we need to correct it twice or thrice till we get what here, accuracy. And this is I can say that this is a corrector formula. This is what here, corrector formula. So using these two formulas, predictor and corrector, we can apply Milne's method for the given differential equation with the given conditions. So let's see the example based on this Milne's method using this predictor and corrector formula. Also this method is also going to called, Milne's method is also called what here, Milne's predictor and corrector. Okay, it is, these formulas are going to called as what here, Milne's predictor and corrector formula also. So we'll see the example now. The problem is given that dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and the data y of 0 is equal to 0, comma y of 0.2 is equal to 0.02, y of 0.4 equal to 0.0795, y of 0.6 equal to 0.1762. Compute y at x is equal to 8.8 by applying Milne's method. So this is a question. So we need to find the solution by using Milne's method. Solution. So firstly, given data I will collect it. So that is dy by dx is equal to x minus y square. So this dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and remaining values they have given. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 values they have given, and we need to find x is equal to 0.8. So this dy by dx is equal to x minus y square can also be written as what here, y dash is equal to x minus y square. Dy by dx can be written as what here, y dash. Now so we'll prepare the following table using the given data, which is essentially required for applying the predictor and corrector formula. So we'll prepare a table now first with the given data. Now so I have taken the table here. So table is, so this is a column for x value, y value and y dash. So y dash is nothing but it is what here, x minus y square given differential equation. So x values are, so these are the x values 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. These are the x values. So I will write it here. So x0 is 0, x1 value is 0.2, x2 value is 0.4. So x3 value is 0.6 and x4 value, that is 0.8. So these values I have collected from the question only. You can see 0, It is values are 0, 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.6, and we need to find 0 0.8 also. These are the values of x. Similarly, values of y. So 0, when y of 0, that is x is 0, so y is also 0 here. So that value will write here 0. So next value is 0 0.02. Next is 0 0.0795, and next remaining next value is, it is 0 0.1762, and this value we need to find. It is question mark. Next here y dash, so we need to calculate. So this is nothing but I will write it here. This is y naught value. Okay, then this is y1 value, y2 value, y3 value, and y4 we need to calculate. So similarly, we need to get the values of y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, and y4 dash. So from this equation, we'll replace x value, y value, we'll get the answer. X value, y value, will get the y1 dash value, and we'll put x value, y value, will get y2 dash. Similarly, y3 dash will get, and y4 we need to calculate from the Milnes formula. So now, so with the help of calculator, I will prepare the expression. So expression is what here. So this expression will prepare in the, that is x minus y square. I want to write in the calculator, that is alpha x minus alpha y square. Okay, I have prepared. So x minus y square I have prepared. Use the calc option. Then when x is 0, y is 0. X is 0, y is 0. Answer is what here? 0. Mention here. Then next value. When x is 0 0.2 and y is 0 0.02. So mention it. When x is calc option, when x is 0 0.2 and y is 0 0.02, so y dash value will be 0 0.1996. 0 0.1996. Next value, when x is 0 0.4 and y is 0 0.0795. X is 0 0.4, y is 0 0.0795. So the value will be 0 0.39367. So I will round up. It will be 0 0.3937. 0 0.3937. Next, when x is 0 0.6 and y is 0 0.1762. When x is 0 0.6 and y is 0 0.1762, so the value of y dash will be 0 0.5689. So I'll write 0 0.5689. 0 0.5689. So I don't know. So we know the value of x here. X is 0 0.8. Y4 we don't know. So we cannot find. This is also a question mark. So this y4 dash and y4 we need to calculate by using Milnes method now. So now by Milnes method, the formula. So first we'll apply y4 of p formula. So y4 of p is given by y0 plus 4h upon 3 bracket 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. So this is the predictor formula, and we'll apply the respective values. So here you can see here y0 value from the table, it is 0. Then h value, h is nothing but you need to check here 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So difference 0.2 minus 0 is 0.2, 0.4 minus 0.2 is 0.2. So therefore h value is what here? 0.2 here. and y1 dash we can collect it here, y2 dash from the table, y3 dash from the table. So these all values will enter. So therefore on entering, so here I can say that here the value of h is 0.2. so with the help of this we'll predict the value, that is prediction of y4 of p will be y0 value from the table, it is 0 plus 4, h value is 0.2 divided by 3 formula, okay, into 2 times y1 dash. So y1 dash value is from the table 0.1996. I'll write it here. It is 2 into 0.1996 minus y2 dash value is 0.3937. Next, plus 2 times y3 dash, y3 value is 0.5689. Close the bracket. Okay, so now we'll calculate with the help of calculator. So the values will be, so this in one stretch we need to enter the data. So just see here, which is nothing but we'll enter one by one. So first 0. So if you enter these all data in the calculator, I can say that, so y4 of p value will be, so we'll enter these values, 0 plus fraction 4 into 0.2, close the bracket, divided by 3. Next bracket 2 into 0.1996, close the bracket, minus 0.3937 plus 2 times 0.5689, close the bracket properly, and equal to sign. So you will get the answer 0.30488. so up to 4 decimal I want to round up, so it will become 0.3049. so that answer will mention here. So therefore y4 of p will be 0.3049. so this is a predicted value, means we got y4 of p value, means where we need to see here, this value will be, we need to consider as, so we need to consider here, that is 0.3049, will guess it. So this is our prediction. So therefore x value is 0.8, and just now we have calculated y4 of prediction value, that is 0.3049. with the help of x and y value we'll calculate y4 dash. So therefore y4 dash will be, so we'll calculate, so y4 dash is nothing but, it is x4 minus y4 square. So just actually we have the formula y dash is equal to x minus y square. So that formula I have written in terms of what here, y4 x4 y4 dash x4 and y4 square. So which is nothing but, so we know that x4 value from the table, it is 0.8 minus y4 square, that is y4 value just now we have calculated, it is 0.39 0.3049 0.3049 square. So on calculating this value we'll see how much it will be, which is nothing but 0.8 minus bracket 0.3049 square. So with the result what here, 0.7070 up to 4 decimal place it will be. So y4 dash is 0.7070. so this is all about what here, predictions. So y4 of p we got, this is predicted value, and y4 dash also we got predicted. So we need to check, we need to correct these values by using what here, corrector formula. So Milne's corrector formula is given by, that is y4 of c is equal to, the formula is y4 of c is equal to y2 plus h upon 3 bracket y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this is a character formula. So we need to apply these values. So from the table, y2 dash we know it, y3 dash we know it, and y4 dash we know it. So from the table we collected this. So I will go back to table and I will just show you. So y2 dash value, y3 dash value, and y4 dash value. So y4 dash value just now we have calculated now. So this value will change it. y2 and y3 we will take from the table now. So what is y2 dash and y3 dash from the table? We'll see. So y2 dash is 0.3937, y3 dash is 0.5689. Okay, these value will substitute there. So therefore y2 from the table it is 0.0795 plus h value is 0.2, and from the formula divided by 3 we have as it is. So y2 dash value is 0.3937 plus 4 into y3 dash from the table it is 4 into 0.5689, close the bracket, plus just now we have calculated y4 dash, it is nothing but 0.7070. So once you got this, so this value we will enter at once in the calculator and we'll see what is the solution of this y4 of c. So we'll enter this data now in the calculator. So at once I will try to enter and we'll see the solution. So 0.0795 plus fraction, that is 0.2 divided by 3, then into bracket 0.3937 plus 4 into 0.5689, close the bracket, plus y4 dash value, that is 0.7070, close the brackets, equal to sign, and you will find the answer 0.30458. 8, that is more than 5, add in the previous decimal, that is it will become 0.3046. So y4 of character we got it as what here? 0.3046. You can check now. So in the predictor formula we have got it what here? It is 0.3049, but in the corrector formula we got 0.3046. So small change in the values. So this is also y4, but correct, we have corrected that, and with the help of this corrector formula we also find the value of what here? y4 dash, that is x4 minus y4 of square, that is x4 value is 0.8 minus fresh value of y4, we got it now. This is the fresh value of y4, just now from the corrector we got it. It is 0.3046 square, which is nothing but, so y4 dash will be on calculation. So we'll type this one. It is nothing but 0.8 minus, okay, you can see in the calculator. So we'll type as it is 0.8 into minus 0.3046 square, and you can see the answer. It is nothing but 0.7072. it is coming 0.7072. this also you can check here. So what we got here, it is 0.7070, but here it is coming what here? 0.7072. we need to correct it, so therefore we'll apply once again this formula. So on applying these values once again, so what happens we'll see. So again apply corrector formula, that is what here? Corrector formula is what here? y4 of c is equal to y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So therefore y2 value is 0.0795 plus h value is 0.2 divided by 3 from the formula into y2 dash 0.3937 plus 4 into 0.5689. But while writing y4 dash, fresh value of y4 dash we need to take. Fresh value of y4 dash is nothing but 0.7072. So but here in the previous you just see, so it is 0.7070, but here fresh value of y4 we got it what here, 0.7072. So no need to type all again in the calculator, it is already available. You check here, if you use center cursor button, okay, so if you use cursor button, already is available. You can find here completely once again. So you press end button, okay, end button. If you use it, it will go end. So you can see here 0 points, all values are same, only y4 dash is going to be changed as 0.7072. so instead of 0.7070 we need to correct it as what here, 0.7072. last value I will change, I will write 2 and take out cursor and equal to sign, and you will find the answer 0.3046 answer. So, okay, so this value will write. So therefore, so y4 of C is equal to 0.3046. So this answer and what we have got the answer in the corrector, both are same. So we'll stop here and we'll conclude that. So therefore we'll conclude that is y4 value, which is nothing but y of 0.8 is nothing but 0.3046. So in this way we need to get the solution of the given differential equation by using the values of y of x naught is equal to y naught, y of x1 is equal to y1, y of x2 is equal to y2, y of x3